Hello friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar. Now we are living data world. Data is very important and critical. So today we will discuss about databases. So data has three different types. One is structured data, second one is semi-structured data, third one is unstructured data. We started a databases series and we will provide every day some tips, interview questions and knowledge about databases. It is very useful for students, software engineers, QA analyst and machine learning people. Any person it is useful. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.
Most popular databases. Relational database. A relational database is a digital database based on the relational model of data, as proposed by E.F. Codd in 1970. The software system used to maintain relational databases is a Relational Database Management System (RDBMS). Many relational database systems have an option of using the SQL structured query language for querying and maintaining the database. Relational databases list. 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 Platform as a service database. This market is composed of vendors offering database platform as a service DBPaaS solutions. A DBPaaS offering is any database management system DBMS or data store engineer as a scalable, elastic, multi-tenant subscription service with a degree of self-management, and sold and supported by a cloud service provider CSP or by a third-party software vendor on CSP infrastructure. Access to system services, such as the OS and storage software, must be restricted. We do not include cloud infrastructure as a service IaaS services running hosted DBMS licenses in DBPaaS. Platform as a service database. Platform as a service database. Platform as a service database.